So guys, this is our ingredients. We got the chicken here, free range chicken, and cassia steak and cinnamon steak, garlic, onions, and curry. This is mild curry, coriander, smoked paprika, and cumin powder, and of course our Maggi for seasoning as well. In case you haven't subscribed, do subscribe down below and comment and share with your friends. Yeah, so this is the easiest way to remove those teeny little feather from the free range chicken. This is the one that we finished. Now the feathers are all gone, as you can see. Just remain cutting it. Yeah. So I'm gonna add in a little bit of lemon juice for washing the chicken. The onion is all fried. I'm gonna season it with salt and the curry. And then toast it a little bit. So I'll add in the chicken. Next, the cinnamon stick and the cassia, the coriander, cumin, paprika, just a little bit for the sweetness. Look at that beautiful colored of curry, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and let it steam in its own liquid for about 15 minutes, and we'll add in our tomato. The flavor is so amazing. So we're gonna add our garlic, chopped garlic. This is gonna add more flavor in our chicken. See the liquid from the chicken, and it's cooking so well. Then cover and let the liquid dry out. We'll add in our tomato. So let's make chapati since our chicken is cooking. So I'm gonna make a teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt for the taste. That will be enough. And water. Then mix with spoon. So I'll go ahead and add in my flour. This is my remaining flour. I'll add it in the water. Then start kneading the dough. Keep on adding the water until the dough becomes soft and smooth. Let's add in our vegetable cooking oil. That's enough. So we're done kneading our dough. I'll go ahead and cover it. And a kitchen towel like that, and I'll let it rise for 30 minutes and we'll make our chapati. So our chapati is all done. It's ready. Yeah. Just want to say thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And in case you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do subscribe and share with your friends as well. And comment down below and let me know where you're watching from.